Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we're for sale this lovely 2017 Yamaha MT10. This one is absolutely stunning. It's got the Scorpion exhaust on there with the decat and the ECU remap as well. It's done 7,915 miles from new. It's got Gilles levers on there. It's got Evotech protection on there. It's got Gilles little covers on the oil and the rear brake reservoir. It's got a comfort seat. It's got a tail tidy. It's got a quickshifter. And spec-wise, they're huge on these. You get 4 different traction control modes, you get 3 different riding modes as well, you get cruise control, you get ABS. So they are a really well spec bike. Super fun to ride. I've actually owned one of these bikes as well, so I can vouch for just how much fun they are. Big digital display there, so you can see all the information and what modes you're currently in as well. And like I say, they're absolutely awesome and definitely one of our most popular sellers that we have. They look awesome, they sound awesome, and if you fancy being as awesome as this, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.